Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So right now I'm headed home from Make Me Garden's office, and today we actually shot gardening gupshup with Make Me Garden for this week's Sundays with Suraj episode, where we will be answering couple of general questions that gardeners usually have in their mind, and we also discuss about what kind of seeds are the best to grow for this winter season. And you also get to see what are these seeds along with the names. There's a detailed video explanation there. Anyways, so we have 5 questions in this video. We have these 5 normal general questions anybody would have in their mind. Gardening with gupshup and gardening with Make Me Garden, I don't know, not yet decided on the title. However, if you have some interesting title which can relate a casual talk about gardening and Sundays with Suraj, let me know. Who knows, I might just go use the title and give you the credits. So if you have something in mind, let me know. And apart from that, let's talk about expectations. This is something which I remind myself every day, every now and then. Have expectations, but do not be attached to the outcome of the expectations. It kind of helps me deal with a lot of situations that I face day to day, or it helps me deal with a lot of unfavorable situations that I face. And today was one of such kind of a day where something really important, I would say important or close to me, something that I'm part of, didn't happen or isn't going to go through going further anymore, because there was something else that I had expected and the other person had expected something else. So it hurt, obviously, but again, that's the difference. I tell myself as a constant reminder that do not be attached to the outcome of your fucking expectation. It's not like emotions and feelings don't exist within me, but I do have emotions and feelings. It's just that I do not give into these emotions. Again, how do I do that? It takes time. It kind of pinches when you're in the moment of the emotions, or it kind of fucks with you. However, what I do is I just ask myself, in the next from 3 months from today, would you still be disappointed with the outcome of that specific situation? If the answer is no, that does not remove how I feel immediately, but it kind of helps. It kind of gives me a perspective that this is a temporary emotion that you're feeling, and it also gives me a reminder of not being attached to the outcome of the expectation. See, having expectations is a very good thing. It's very important for anything that you do. That's how you measure your growth or result, or that's how you actually improve a lot. You may outperform your casual efficiency. Just because you expected a lot, you might actually outperform yourself and perform at that level of expectation. Anyways, having expectations is not wrong. Everybody has them, but the thing is getting attached to the outcome of this expectation. That's where people go haywire. I can say, when they're way too heavily attached to the outcome of something that they were expecting. Of course, when it doesn't turn out to be that way, they will be disappointed, right? It's like it's like a human nature. People always expect a lot of things. Anyways, today was a good day. A lot of changes are going to happen. The outcome, did I like how the outcome was? No, I didn't like how the outcome was. However, I cannot do anything about it, right? I expected something, that's on me. I do not like to go into the blame game of, this was told, that was told and shit. I'd rather take the blame on myself and live with it than give responsibility of my life on somebody else's hand. So yeah, that's the whole thing about expectations. Have them, but don't be attached to the outcome. Why shouldn't we be attached? You'll go into the emotion aspect of it, and being in that emotional state is not a good state, at least for me. I don't know for others. So there's that about expectations.